The rise of the machines, how AI is revolutionizing architecture. Hey everyone, and welcome to Architect's World blog. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of architecture and exploring a powerful new tool changing the game: artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where buildings are not just functional spaces, but intelligent companions that adapt to your needs and optimize your comfort. This is the future that AI promises for architecture. From designing sustainable structures to generating creative concepts, AI is transforming the way architects work. Benefits of AI in architecture. Design optimization. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize building designs for factors like energy efficiency, material usage, and even occupant comfort. Sustainable solutions. AI can help architects create buildings that are more environmentally friendly by suggesting sustainable materials and construction methods. Unleashing creativity. AI can be a powerful tool for generating new and innovative design ideas, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Enhanced collaboration. AI can facilitate communication and collaboration between architects, engineers, and other stakeholders in the building process. Automating tasks. AI can automate repetitive tasks like drafting and calculations, freeing up architects to focus on the creative aspects of design. The human touch still matters. While AI is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it won't replace architects entirely. The human touch will always be essential in the design process. Architects bring creativity, empathy, and an understanding of human needs to the table, qualities that AI cannot replicate. The future of AI in architecture. The future of AI in architecture is full of possibilities. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and sustainable buildings being designed and constructed. Are you interested in learning more about AI and its impact on architecture? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on the future of design and technology.